Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. Alright, so let's begin. First, go to the Steam store and search for Beat Saber. Once you find it, click on the game to open its page, then head over to the Community Hub. Let the page load fully. In the Community Hub, look for the Guide section, which can be accessed via a button at the top. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page listing various guides. Search for the guide titled Beat Saber Modding Guide Working 20 and 24 inches by Jaffa Cakes. If you can't find it immediately, you can either click on the modding or configuration category or use the search function within the guide section to locate it. Once you find the guide, open it. It provides detailed step-by-step instructions on what you need to download and how to set everything up. The process involves downloading a tool called Mod Assistant. Follow the instructions in the guide to download and install this tool. By following this simple guide, you'll be able to mod Beat Saber easily. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.